Do you love quick, delicious, and unique meals? Today, I'm making something special. A creamy potato base topped with flavorful tuna and fresh herbs. Trust me, you're gonna love this. First, I chop some green onions and sauteed them in a bit of oil. Then I added grated garlic. The smell was amazing. Next, I mixed in chopped parsley and dill, and finally added tuna. I seasoned it with salt, black pepper, and ground coriander. I cooked everything together for a few minutes until it smelled heavenly. Meanwhile, I boiled the potatoes. Once soft, I mashed and grated them. Then I mixed in mozzarella cheese, salt, black pepper, and paprika. I spread this creamy potato mix into a pan and let it fry on low heat, golden and crispy. When the potato base was ready, I added the tuna mix on top. I let it cook for about 15 minutes on low heat, and that's it. The result? A soft, cheesy base with a perfectly seasoned tuna topping. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more easy and delicious ideas. And tell me in the comments which country are you watching from. I'd love to know where my food lovers are tuning in from.